Hi guys, today I'm gonna share how to make a cute tote bag. First of all, I want to introduce myself. My name is Ghevira Fitriyani from 12 Fashion Design 1. Materials and tools that we need is fabric, scissors, pattern ruler, pattern paper, thread, pen, and straight pin. First, make a tote bag pattern according to the size you need and cut the pattern. The pattern is divided into 4 parts: main pattern, rope pattern, base pattern, and pocket pattern. Next, we will cut the fabric with fabric scissors. Help with a pin to make it easier. Cut all the patterns with the main material, then with the lining material. Iron the strap as shown in the video to make the sewing process more easier. Sew 2 sides of the strap to make it look neat. Sew about half an inch from the edge. And this is the result. Then sew the base with the bottom of the tote bag. And this is the result. It's okay if it gets scratched, you can always fix it. Next, we will sew the side of the tote bag. For the base, you can cut it if the base is too long, then follow the instruction in the video. Sew the 3 sides of the pocket to the lining. Next, you can sew the 3 sides of the tote bag footing together. Put the lining and main material together, then sew the top of the tote bag. For finishing, follow the instruction on the video. Last, sew the strap with the top of the tote bag. And this is the result, the cute tote bag.